In this video, Cathie Wood addresses the factors contributing to Tesla's recent stock decline, linking it to the refresh cycle of Model Y and reduced sales in important markets like China and Germany. Despite these challenges, she expresses confidence in Elon Musk's leadership and points to potential stock recovery catalysts such as the introduction of a lower cost vehicle and improvements in autonomous driving technology. Moreover, Cathie notes that the Trump administration's decision to pause the national charging network may inadvertently favor Tesla, as other automakers are likely to adopt its charging standard.
Well, it's interesting. We were on his earnings call last week, and I don't think I've ever heard him more engaged or more into the details, answering in detail analyst questions. So, as I've said before, I think he's an amazing CEO in that he is a troubleshooter. He figures out where the pinch points are, the gating factors, and he goes right at them. And I think he's doing it very effectively.
I mean, at the same time, the stock has taken a big hit. I mean, he may be figuring out those points, but at the same time, we got a lot of reports recently about Tesla sales, being down, deliveries being down in places like China and Germany.
Yeah, what's happening is the Model Y, which is the largest selling car in the world, is going through a refresh cycle. And I can tell you personally, I went to buy a Model Y, and at the showroom they said, no, wait, the whole thing's going to be refreshed. This was several months ago, and lo and behold, this is where we are. So I'm happy they told me that, and I think I understand why we're seeing sales lag here a bit.
So what turns it around, Cathie? What's the catalyst that moves this stock higher?
Yes, a couple of things. I think they're going to come out with their lower cost car this year. So that will increase access to Tesla's cars. Elon's always talking about affordability, certainly working on that one. And then, of course, autonomous. We do think that Tesla is getting ready to launch its autonomous service. We know they will launch. They announced the launch in June in Austin. And the question then is, how quickly will they roll out to other cities? And we think it will be more quickly than many think.
Another headline that we saw today is that the Trump administration, as predicted or as expected perhaps, is halting the government's $5 billion program to build out a national charging network. Is that a wash for Tesla? Is that a negative for Tesla if people don't have as many places to charge? Does it benefit Tesla because they're building their own network? How do you view that?
Yeah, I think, a lot of auto companies have already signed on to Tesla's standard. And so why not use the the Tesla charging network instead of duplicating expenses with government subsidies on top of that? So I think it will benefit Tesla. I think it will be good for the entire ecosystem.